Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If the thought of a dentist drill makes you squirm, or if you've ever faced the prospect of a dental implant, then today's topic is going to blow your mind. For decades, replacing a lost tooth has meant invasive surgery, titanium screws, and months of recovery. But what if I told you that future might be growing your own teeth, right in your mouth? It sounds like science fiction, right? But across the globe, brilliant minds are racing to turn this into a reality. We're talking about regenerating biological teeth, naturally integrated into your jaw. Imagine a world where losing a tooth isn't a permanent setback, but a chance for a fresh start. This isn't just about avoiding the drill, it's about a revolution in dentistry. Let's rewind a bit. For years, the process of replacing a tooth has been pretty standard. Drill, implant a screw, wait, then attach a crown. It's effective, but it's far from ideal. You lose the natural feel, the elasticity, and the natural integration with your bone and ligaments. But what if we could bypass all that with a brand new biological tooth? One of the pioneers in this incredible field is Dr. Angelova Volponi from King's College London. For almost 2 decades, she's been at the forefront of lab-grown teeth research. Back in 2013, her team achieved a monumental feat, growing a tooth from human and mouse cells. Fast forward to this year, and they've made another significant breakthrough. They've refined the scaffold, essentially the environment where these teeth grow in the lab, making it much closer to the natural conditions in your mouth. This is a crucial step towards replacing those mouse cells with human ones and coaxing them to form a full tooth. Dr. Volponi describes tooth making in the lab as almost like a tripod. 2 types of cells talking to each other, and the perfect environment for this conversation to happen. Their latest study focused on this environment. They moved from using collagen scaffolds to a hydrogel, a high water content polymer that's much more biomimetic. Doctoral student Zhuchen Zhang explained their process. They gather embryonic mouse cells, mix them, form a tiny cell pellet, then inject it into the hydrogel and let it grow for about 8 days. The results? Tooth-like structures, or tooth primordia forming inside the hydrogel. In their earlier work, these primordia were even transferred into mice and developed into fully formed teeth with roots and enamel. Now, there are still challenges, of course. The big one is replacing those embryonic mouse cells with adult human cells. But if that puzzle is solved, Dr. Volponi envisions 2 main paths to clinical application. Either they grow a tooth to a certain stage, then implant it into the jaw, where it will naturally integrate and fully grow, or they fully grow the tooth in the lab first, then surgically implant it. The advantages of these real biological teeth are immense. No inflammation, no rejection, and they'll feel just like your natural teeth, with full sensation and elasticity, unlike current implants. Dr. Vitor C.M. Neves, a senior clinical lecturer at the University of Sheffield, hails Dr. Volponi as a pioneer, emphasizing the importance of her work on these matrices or scaffolds. But she's not alone in this race. Dr. Katsu Takahashi in Osaka is developing an antibody-based treatment that encourages tooth growth, currently in human clinical trials and potentially ready by the end of the decade. Meanwhile, at Tufts University, Pamela Yellick's team grew human-like teeth in pigs using human and pig cells, aiming to eventually prompt human jaws to grow new teeth without animal cells. And at the University of Washington, Hanley Ruohola Baker's team is growing dental pulp stem cells from donated wisdom teeth, aiming to uncover the molecular blueprint of human tooth formation from scratch. The momentum in this field is incredible. While clinical translation takes time, experts like Dr. Ruohola Baker believe that biological tooth repair or replacement could become a realistic option within the coming decade. Imagine a world where dental problems are no longer about patching up, but about regenerating, renewing, and restoring your natural smile. No more fear of the dentist, no more artificial parts, just healthy, biological teeth that feel like your own. This truly is a game changer for oral health. What are your thoughts on growing your own teeth? Would you be first in line? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more incredible science and tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.